Good day, everyone. You are welcome to this week's Business and Investment Tips program, a production of RCCG Christ Church Radio with Ayodeji Ebo, an investment professional. This week, the focus is on the Nigerian stock market performance year to date. The Nigerian stock market has delivered a sterling performance so far this year to reach an all-time peak of 70,196.77 points, translating to a year-to-date return of 36.97% in the Nigerian All-Share Index, NGX ASI. The NGX ASI measures the performance of all the stocks on the Nigerian exchange. The performance can vary from sector to sector, as well as individual stocks. For instance, the oil and gas, consumer goods, banking and insurance sector indices have returned 113%, 95.2%, 72.4%, and 67.8% respectively so far this year. These are above inflation returns compared to inflation rate at 26.7% as of September 2023, indicating that the stock market delivered positive real returns to investors. Stock investing is for investors with a medium to high risk appetite due to price fluctuations. As you may be aware, investors earn two types of returns, which are 1. Dividend return. This is the return based on the total dividend, interim and final, received per share divided by the price per share. 2. Capital appreciation. This is the gain due to price movement when the current market price is greater than the purchase price. Depending on your investment strategy, you may sell the shares to realize the gains. A total number of 160 stocks are currently listed on the Nigerian exchange. 113 stocks have gained, that is, increase in prices this year, while 32 stocks have lost, that is, decline in prices, and 15 stocks remain unchanged, no gain or loss this year. The top 5 gainers this year include Computer Warehouse Group 801%, Chams 766%, MRS Oil Nigeria 680%, Japol Gold 633%, and Transcorp Hotel 610%. On the other hand, the top 5 losers are Royal Exchange 51%, Champion Breweries 35%, Multiverse Mining and Exploration 27%, Pharma Deco 13%. A review of domestic and foreign transaction report as of September 2023 shows that domestic investors accounted for 90.5% of total transactions, while the balance of 9.5% is by foreign investors. A further breakdown shows that retail domestic investors account for 35% or 846 billion naira of total transaction, while the balance of 65%, 1.6 trillion naira, is by domestic institutional investors. The foreign investors recorded a net outflow of 40 billion naira so far this year. This shows the skepticism of foreign investors to bring their funds into the country due to FX challenges. As we wrap up the year, the stock market is expected to sustain its positive form despite the economic challenges ranging from FX devaluation to high cost of doing business and weak consumer wallets. Investors with long-term investment funds can take positions in companies with strong operating performances and a consistent dividend-paying history, at least 4 out of 5 years. Thank you for listening. Please join us same time next week for another interesting and insightful session. For questions, comments, and feedback, kindly forward to ebo.ayodeji@gmail.com or send SMS to 07082463747. Stay blessed.